Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous couple of videos, we have covered the download part of the Machinechat JEDI software, and after downloading, we have also covered that how to install the Machinechat JEDI software, how to license it, and how to run and access it in the browser. So here you can see I am accessing my local Machinechat JEDI software in the browser. Now what we want to do in this video is we want to configure MQTT data collector in the Machinechat JEDI software, okay? And then after we want to create a data dashboard in Machinechat JEDI software to display the MQTT data. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. So here is our Machinechat JEDI homepage. Now we can go to the data collector inside the setting. Okay, so you have to expand the setting and then you have to go to the data collector. Here you can see we don't have any data collector related to MQTT, so we can create one. So to create the data collector, you can click on the add collector, and here you can provide your collector name, which is my MQTT data collector, and the collector type is the MQTT broker. Now the best part of the Machinechat JEDI software is it has inbuilt MQTT broker. If you haven't installed any other MQTT broker in your system, then also this Machinechat JEDI software will act as a MQTT broker, and then you don't require any external MQTT broker to be installed to exchange the data. Okay, so you don't have to install any other MQTT broker like Mosquito, HiveMQ, anything. This Machinechat JEDI software will act as a MQTT broker. So you have to click on this listen IP option. I am going to provide my localhost IP address here, and I'm going to run my broker on the port 1883. And if I show you, okay, then my Mosquito broker is not running in my system. So if I go to services, and if I search for Mosquito, then you can see it is not running. There is no PID and the services are in stop condition. So we don't have any MQTT broker running inside my system apart from this Machinechat JEDI software. Okay, so this is the best part of this Machinechat JEDI software. We don't need any other or external MQTT broker. Now that's it. You have to provide the IP address, port number. We are not going to set any username and password, and we will just press on save. And once you save it, your broker is up and running, and you can use your localhost IP address and port 1883 to connect with this broker. So I'm going to open my MQTT Explorer software, and I'm going to use this localhost IP address and port number, and I'm going to name it as JEDI, and I'm going to connect. And you can see we are connected. Now we can publish the data to this broker, okay, on any topic, and then we can read the data in the Machinechat JEDI software. So for that, I have this Python script on my desktop. You can see MQTT simulator, so I can open the command prompt here. I can navigate to desktop. I can run my Python script, and we want to publish the data in the JSON format. Okay, and here you can see temperature, humidity, and timestamp. Here we have the data, okay, temperature, humidity, and the timestamp. You don't have to worry about the entire structure. Okay, data is getting published to this MQTT broker, which is running from the Machinechat JEDI software, and that's it. Now what you can do is you can click here, okay, and here you will see some information. You can see node ID and our client. So this is our MQTT client which we are using, which is our MQTT Explorer, okay, and this is the client which is our Python script. Okay, so both are connected to this MQTT broker. Now we have already the data on this MQTT broker, but how to create the dashboard for this temperature and humidity? So you can go to the data dashboard to create the dashboard, but before that you have to go to the device dashboard, and here you will see your MQTT device. Okay, now we can go to the data dashboard to create our dashboard, and here you can see we don't have any charts or control here, so we can click on the add chart, and I'm going to select the gauge type chart here, and this is my temperature. The maximum value is 100, minimum 0, and the source I have to select this 127.0.0.1, and in the property you can see temperature, humidity, and the timestamp, the value which is coming to this topic, temperature, humidity, and the timestamp. So I can select temperature here. Okay, that's it. I'm going to provide the degree centigrade here and refresh interval 1 second, and yeah, that's fine. We can click on add, and here you can see the temperature. Okay, and again I'm going to add one more chart here. And the same, the gauge chart, the name is humidity, and the humidity is in percentage. Okay, the source is again MQTT broker, the property is humidity, the maximum value is 100. That's fine. The refresh interval is 1 second, and we can click on add to add it. You can drag and drop your gauge anywhere in the dashboard. You can increase the size of your gauge however you require. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so this is how you can use this Machinechat JEDI software to start its own MQTT broker. Then after, you can use any MQTT device. It can be your Arduino, it can be Node MCU, it can be ESP32 as well, or it can be any other MQTT sensor which can directly publish the data to MQTT broker. Okay, and once you have the data on your MQTT broker within the Machinechat JEDI software, then you can directly integrate here in the dashboard and you can create the dashboard. So what we have done in this video, so first of all, we have to launch this Machinechat JEDI program. Okay, and once you launch it, once you access it from your browser, you have to go to the setting. Inside the setting, we have the data collector. So you have to go to the data collector, you have to click on add data collector, and here you have to provide your collector name, which is MQTT, or you can provide anything as of now, XYZ. And here in the collector type, you have to select the MQTT broker. Once you select the MQTT broker, you have to select this option, listen IP. Okay, and inside it, you have to provide your local system IP address, and here you have to provide the port. Okay, and you can remove the password if it is not required, and then you can click on save to save it. But we have already created, so here you can see MQTT data collector. If I click on the pencil, then here you will see the entire details. And here we have two clients connected. Here you can see the information of those two clients, and that's it. Okay, and once you have it, you can go to the device dashboard, and here you will see that device, that one device is publishing the data, and you can use this particular device ID to create the dashboard. So once you go to the data dashboard, okay, and once you try to add any chart or anything, okay, so suppose if I select the gauge, then in the source you will have that device ID, and once you select that device ID, whatever data available from that device ID, you will see that here. So we are publishing the data in the JSON format, so that's why we have this data, and here you can see the format, humidity, temperature, and timestamp. And once we have the data here, you can create the dashboard as per your requirement. Also, you can change the color for minimum and maximum value as per your requirement. Also, we can set the precision, font size, and everything. You can also try another chart and you can learn how to configure those charts. Okay, we are also going to cover those charts in the future videos, but this is a basic demo, so that's why we have used this gauge, and you can see the gauge is working fine. Also, you can convert it to the full screen and you can directly monitor it. Okay, temperature and humidity data. So this is how you can use this Machinechat JEDI software to collect the data from your MQTT devices. So whatever the agenda for this video, that has been done. Okay, how to configure MQTT data collector and how to create a data dashboard in the Machinechat JEDI software to display the MQTT data, and here we have our MQTT data. So I hope everything is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, we are going to cover that how to read the data from Modbus serial and TCP device in the future videos. So stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.